Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic in sociology, and that is cultural lag. We will understand what cultural lag means, why it happens, and we will also share 20 examples to help you understand it clearly. So, let's begin. Cultural lag means that one part of culture changes faster than another part. In simple words, when technology and inventions change quickly, but people's beliefs, traditions, and laws take time to adjust, that situation is called cultural lag. This idea was first explained by William F. Ogburn, an American sociologist. He said that when new inventions appear, society takes some time to accept them or to change its ways. This time gap between change and adjustment is known as cultural lag. In today's world, science and technology are growing very fast. We see new machines, new apps, new ideas, and new ways of living. But our habits, traditions, values, and laws do not change as quickly. Because of this slow adjustment, society faces confusion and sometimes even problems. So, cultural lag shows that society's thinking often runs behind its progress in science and technology. Let's look at 20 examples and real life examples of cultural lag. Firstly, online education. Technology made online classes possible, but many parents and teachers still prefer traditional classrooms. Second example is electric cars. Electric cars are better for the environment, but many people still prefer petrol cars in society. Thirdly, mobile banking. Some people still go to banks and wait in long lines instead of using online banking apps. Fourthly, our fourth example is social media and privacy. People use social media every day, but most still do not know how to protect their privacy online. Fifthly, artificial intelligence. AI is replacing many jobs, but schools and laws are slow to adjust to this change. Number 6, women's education. Modern ideas support girls' education, but some areas still follow old traditions that stop girls from studying in schools and colleges. Number 7, elderly and smartphones. Many old people find it difficult to use smartphones or the internet. Number 8, in genetic engineering. Science can change genes in plants and animals, but society still debates if it is moral or not. Number 9, remote work. Technology allows people to work from home, but some companies still prefer office work only. Number 10, environmental protection. We have eco-friendly technologies, but people continue using plastic and wasting energy. Number 11, cloning. Science can clone animals, but many people believe cloning is against nature or religion. Number 12, organ transplants. Some people refuse to donate organs even through medical science can save lives through transplantation. Number 13, marriage and gender roles. Society now supports equality, but some families still follow old gender roles. Number 14, e-government services. Governments offer online forms, but people still stand in queues for paper documents. Number 15, electric scooters or bikes. Many cities have electric scooters, but traffic laws are not yet updated for them. Number 16, birth control. Modern medicine offers safe birth control, but some communities still reject it. Number 17 example, renewable energy. Solar and wind energy are clean, but people still depend on coal and gas. Number 18, digital payments. Digital wallets are easy, but many shopkeepers still prefer cash. Number 19, online shopping. E-commerce is growing, but some people still fear buying things online. Number 20, robots in factories. Robots can work faster, but workers resist them because they fear losing their jobs. So, dear friends, cultural lag is a natural part of social change. It reminds us that people need time to accept new inventions and to change old habits. When material culture like technology changes too fast, it creates problems in non material culture like beliefs and values. To reduce cultural lag, we need to promote education, awareness, and open mindedness. Only then can our technology and our way of thinking move forward together in harmony.